Welcome back to another episode of MRP Easy Manufacturing Podcast. Today we talk about 10 manufacturing lessons from Santa's workshop. 1. Find the right workers. Santa's elves are a dedicated, skilled, and specialized workforce who ensure that every toy meets the highest standards. For manufacturers, finding the right workers means hiring people with the right attitude and skills and providing them with the necessary training and support to excel. Indeed, Santa always says that a mediocre worker with a lower salary costs more than a great worker with a higher one. And always remember, a good team is both productive and merry. 2. Plan for demand. While Santa can use his elves to check year-round whether kids are being naughty or nice and forecast demand for Christmas presents accordingly, manufacturing companies are not really allowed to spy on people. That is why they have to rely on their historical data instead. A database of past sales and material consumption enables manufacturers to analyze trends, predict seasonal spikes, and plan purchases and production to avoid stockouts or excess inventory. 3. Optimize production lines. Santa's workshop operates like a well-oiled gift machine. In fact, people who have wandered in the forests in the surrounding area have reported the rhythm and hum of the tools and machinery to sound out popular Christmas songs. Although you shouldn't measure your company's efficiency by whether your workers can use lathes and drills to play Last Christmas by Wham, there is a lot you could do to improve overall efficiency. 4. Leverage magic technology. If you don't yet know how to do actual magic, modern tech can get you pretty similar results. From advanced robotics to simple manufacturing software, investing in the right tools can make your processes feel downright magical. And it's not like Santa only relies on magic himself. His sleigh might look outdated, but look inside and you'll find it's decked out like Batmobile. A closer peek at one of the elves in the workshop could reveal an intricate robot. And every Christmas wish, toy component, and delivery is tracked in Santa's special ERP system. 5. Know your actual costs. Contrary to popular belief, Santa can't just conjure up materials and machinery from thin air. Just as in regular supply chains, everything costs something. Careful financial management, done by Mrs. Claus because Santa's not very good with numbers due to a sleighing accident in his youth, allows the North Pole nonprofit to remain sustainable. Here is how you could ensure effective cost control without having to poach Mrs. Claus from the workshop. Implement a manufacturing ERP system that tracks your real labor and material costs and includes overheads in the final production cost calculations. Your accountants and stakeholders will love you for it. 6. Find the right distribution channels. Could you make billions of deliveries in one night? Thought so. All major supply chain and logistics associations have recognized Santa as the undisputed world champion of distribution, and for a good reason. You see, it's not just one man making the deliveries, rather than a vast network of subsidiary Santas, delivery elves, and massive fleets of flying reindeer. For growing manufacturers, the lesson here is clear. Success in distribution comes from building strong partnerships and creating an efficient logistics network. Evaluate your current distribution channels and identify opportunities to expand or optimize. ERP software can be your guiding star, helping you track shipments, manage inventory across multiple locations, and ensure every product reaches the right customer at the right time. 7. Provide personalization. Santa doesn't deliver one-size-fits-all gifts. Each present is lovingly tailored to what a child wishes for. Whether it's a dollhouse, a train set, or the latest tech gadget, every package carries a personal touch. That's the magic of personalization. For growing manufacturers, personalization is a golden opportunity to stand out in a crowded market. Offer customizable products or tailored solutions to meet your customers' unique needs. With manufacturing ERP software, you can easily manage the complexities of customizable products. Just like Santa's gifts, your products can bring more joy to customers when they feel made just for them. 8. Ensure efficient communication. Christmas has never been delayed, all thanks to efficient communication throughout Santa's supply chain. From the elves in the workshop to the reindeer in the skies, everyone knows their role and coordinates seamlessly thanks to a magical planning and scheduling system. Growing manufacturers must also prioritize efficient communication to keep operations running smoothly. Manufacturing ERP systems act as the communication hub for your entire operation, ensuring that every department, supplier, and partner has access to the information they need in real time. While you can't possibly reach the same OTIF rate as Santa, you could still aspire to. 9. Build a strong team culture. Santa's workshop isn't just a workplace, it's a close-knit community driven by shared goals and holiday spirit. The elves work hard not just because they have to, but because they believe in the mission of spreading joy. For manufacturers, cultivating a strong team culture is essential for long-term success. Celebrate milestones, encourage collaboration, and create a sense of purpose that motivates your team to do their best work. Recognize individual contributions and invest in team-building activities to keep morale high, but only if there are no complaints about salary. A pizza party doesn't make up for lousy pay. 10. Always be ready to scale. Santa effortlessly scales up his operation each and every year, no matter how many kids join the nice list. He manages this thanks to the infrastructure he's built, starting from his manufacturing ERP system that reduces administrative load by a magical 70%, and ending with his HR department's streamlined elf sourcing and onboarding process that enables him to expand his elf force exponentially. Sometimes growth happens unexpectedly, and it's best to be always prepared for the unexpected. Bonus lesson: get some well-deserved time off. After his biggest night of the year, Santa kicks off his boots, hangs up his hat, and takes some well-earned downtime with Mrs. Claus and their elven friends, enjoying a succulent feast and a bit of eggnog, followed by a period of rest and reflection. Even the most magical operation in the world needs a break, and Santa knows the importance of rest and rejuvenation. After a hectic season or a major project, give yourself and your employees time to unwind. A refreshed and recharged team is better equipped to analyze and improve performance and tackle next year's challenges. Wishing you peaceful holidays and a busy new year, the MRP Easy team. This episode of MRP Easy Manufacturing Podcast has come to a close. Thank you for listening. Make sure to subscribe for more manufacturing tips or visit our website mrpeasy.com for more information about us.